This video brings 5 potential products to elevate your dropshipping business. The first one is the Campfire Flamefire Diffuser. The Google search trend chart of this product shows a stable market demand. Its videos have received numerous likes from TikTok viewers. Good feedback from buyers guarantee long-term profitability. This item has a realistic campfire look and humidifying functions, meeting customers' demands for novel and multifunctional home products. Its convenient remote control and auto power off without water attract a wider customer base. The second recommendation is the hair clip holder. The growing Google search trend chart shows is huge market demand. Numerous videos of this product have amassed millions of views on TikTok. Its minimalist look and reasonable structure design meet the dual needs of decoration and effective storage, making it popular among female users and a perfect holiday gift choice. This promising product should not be overlooked if your store's primary target customers are women. The third one is the electric citrus juicer. Its Google search trends indicate a steady sales market, gaining tens of thousands of views quickly on TikTok shows. This item contributes to dropshippers attracting new users. It allows consumers to make various fresh juices conveniently, fulfilling diverse demands. High-quality materials ensure a long service life, making it competitive and building customer loyalty. The next one is the Washcloth Loofah combo. Its TikTok video data performance indicates a stable demand. With the towel's gentle cleansing and loofah's exfoliating, it meets all bathing needs. This product features a soft that generates rich foam. The 2-in-1 design is cost-effective and space-saving, catering to consumers' pursuit of practicality and affordability and making it easy to sell and promote. The last potential one is the Spiralizer vegetable slicer. This video about this item has gone viral on TikTok, amassing 5 million views and over 60,000 likes. Besides, many viewers make price queries and show their purchase wishes in the comment area, indicating great interest in this practical kitchen tool. Due to its high quality and practical operation, it has won the recognition of consumers. With the emphasis on healthy eating, it is favored by families and the catering industry for its diverse cooking applications. This upgraded item is efficient in cutting vegetables and easy to handle and clean, which holds great appeal for busy modern consumers.